Díolhfuil chuirte agus fásaí chuig láchathair go Gaeil-ganuary Eip in the Múna frása nó focail nua Gaeil-ganuary chula lá I meander. So hello and welcome back to day 4 of Gaeil-ganuary, a series in which I will teach you a new Irish word or phrase every day in January. Frása an léonne, today's phrase, an my blank agat. Will you have? An my cup an té agat? An my gline fianna agat? Will you have a cup of tea? Will you have a glass of wine? So mahagan dinner or courts agus at the rud the keens afrohob is phaser and frása sin úsáids. So if somebody comes on a visit and you want to offer them something, you can use that phrase. An my agat. Má tá sé begin an níos mó gaige a ólam lánagama ar na man hóisialta agus fecha má marc sib. Slán go fáin!